To remove the knives on a DeWalt 735 benchtop planer, first loosen the 4 screws that secure the top. Lift off the top and set it aside for now. Next, you'll need to remove the 3 wing nuts for the dust shroud that covers the cutter head. Rotate the dust shroud up and then remove it and set it aside for now. The cutter head has 3 knives. Each one is covered by a knife clamp held securely with 8 screws. To rotate the cutter head to expose each knife, depress the shaft lock and then use a scrap piece of wood to rotate the cutter head for access to each of the knives. Use the torque wrench to remove the 8 screws that secure the knife clamp and the knife to the cutter head. There's a handy recess at the top of the planer used for storing the screws so that you don't lose track of them. The T-handle Torx wrench that comes with the planer features 2 strong magnets in the handle of the wrench that you can use to remove both the knife clamp and the knife. Take this opportunity to examine the cutter head and check it for any debris that may have accumulated under the knife. In my case, there was a significant amount of rust, and I removed it using a non-woven abrasive. Repeat the process for the 2 remaining knives.